Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and we've been getting so much rain. It stopped raining right now. We had snow this morning, we had snow this afternoon, but you can see everything is like puddles of water, and I thought I would come outside for a little bit because I've been inside for so many days because of the rain. I'd show you some of what's coming back. And we've had so much rain that there's places that are flooded, and a lot of high water levels. And we have beautiful yarrow here. My mom has been working on getting this weeded. You can see we have two different varieties here. We have a mounded type variety, and then we have a more spread out variety. This here is the summer berries. And this is, the summer berries is one that's like a carpet, and it just kind of goes and it spreads like crazy. The one back there, that's, it's a yellow variety. I'm trying to think of the name of it. It was a new one, Cloth of Gold, that's it. Cloth of Gold. And I also have the Parker's yellow yarrow at a different spot. And over here to one of the other spots. This is really wet in through here. Your yarrow doesn't like it to be overly wet, but with as much rain as we got, everything is just saturated. And this is being worked on to get the weeds out. There's also some chrysanthemums in here. Let me see if I can get through here. The chrysanthemums, there's some here. I did lose some of them this winter. So I'm going to have to start some more of those off and get those going so that I can have them for over the summer for cutting the flowers. So come over to my flower bed over here. It's warmer in the sunshine. It's like 30, it's in the 30s right now, and I wasn't quite, it's in the 30s, but it's like has that damp, cold feeling to it from all the rain. If your hyacinths look like that, they need fed. I gotta get the Epsom bulb food out here and get these fed. That's why they look like that. They don't have enough food. You have the more beautiful hyacinths over here. And my lavender, I'm going to be trimming that down. Then I'll do a video on that. Got some daffodils back there. Got some more daffodils over there. I love these little miniature daffodils. I'll put the name of these on. I know the name of them, but I don't know how to pronounce it. And there's probably, yeah, there's some under this rock here. So I'm going to have to move that rock then. These have actually spread that much. I started out with one pack of bulbs of these, and they have just gone and they have spread. And these were actually divided out before. A bunch of my stuff was divided out and moved in my flower bed, and this stuff is spreading again and multiplying. And this is one of my peonies coming back in flower bed. I have to get that other stuff out of there because I don't want to crowd out my peonies. The lilies are coming back already. They're beautiful. You just have to keep the deer away from them and try and keep the deer from eating them. I know they say there's some people like mix the hot peppers with water for a spray, but you just have to watch that you don't actually burn your plants, because I know people who have actually burnt their plants already because they accidentally got the hot peppers too much in the spray and it actually burnt the plants. And the deer were munching on that daylily back there. And my lavender plants are in here. I have a lot of trimming to do on these. They are starting to come back with fresh growth on them. So the rose bushes are trying to come back. That one there is the hybrid tea rose. It has some dead stuff that needs cut out of it, but it still has quite a bit of green there, which I'm really happy about it surviving, because we didn't really get to do anything with the rose bushes this year for cutting them down. This one here is really struggling. I think there was like one live stem still on it, so might be taking that one completely out. But the roses are coming back. There's mulch there to be put around them then. And this is one of the new peony patches here. And that one back there, it has its leaves out already. Like I said, it was snowing today. It was snowing. And these will come up early. And that's not the first time that we've had snow in April. We've had snow in May already when the peonies were up. Our pansies here in the hanging baskets made it through the winter. So we have quite a bit of these that actually made it through. And they just need some cleaning up for the stuff that didn't. But, yeah, they made it through. And we have some more daffodils here. Now our peach tree is starting to bloom, and the blueberry bushes, they're starting to bud out, and my mom has some kind of a cherry thing. I don't really know what it is. It's not a cherry tree, it's something different, and that has really pretty like blooms coming on it. I'm not going to go down that way because of how wet everything is. But I kind of want to show you a little tour of what's going on outside right now. And I'll show you some of the pretty flowers. Tell you about some things that I have coming up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button as I put new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!